All right, we're still on the Riviera 465. We've added in a barnacle system into this boat, BRNKL Blue. And what that allows us to do is to tap into the NEMA 2000 network that exists for CZone and have full boat monitoring and control off board through the BRNKL app, which for a boat that has CZone and Mastervolt is really easy to do because it's all on NEMA already. You don't have to add external sensors. And then of course, BRNKL has no subscription for BRNKL Blue. So you pay for it one time, you install it, and you have it forever. This is the module itself. One of the best features about BRNKL, in my opinion, is the live camera monitoring. This boat has live cameras through Garmin already. Doesn't require proprietary cameras. We added 2 more cameras in for the customer's request. And so now there's massive camera monitoring as well, which is great for intruder detection, just checking out your boat, as well as you can do recordings while you're fishing to show the hookups, which is great. We added in another GMS 10 from Garmin for those added cameras, as well as to link into BRNKL. And then there's also Z-Wave sensors that link into BRNKL through this Bluetooth dongle that's also hooked into BRNKL. All the Z-Wave sensors are kind of non-proprietary, available everywhere on Amazon for really inexpensive. So temperature, humidity, motion detection, you name it, those sensors exist. So you can kind of get all those home functionality as well. We did add an analog alarm here, as well as a laser sensor, so that if someone trips the laser in the cockpit while the boat is armed, this alarm will go off. And then we actually output a signal from BRNKL to CZone, and CZone will turn on lights if that sensor gets tripped in order to scare away the intruder and also illuminate so that the cameras can catch the faces. Really cool. I'm going to show you some of the BRNKL functionality in just a second on the app. This boat has a lot of information that can be transmitted to BRNKL, but this is what we've selected from a monitoring standpoint. You can see house battery information, voltage, amperage, state of charge, port, starboard, generator, time remaining on the battery when it's discharging, freshwater information, battery temperature information. We have information of if the fridges are on. There's an alarm if these fridges turn off. That way the owner doesn't lose food. We have information on if the charger is on. If the charger turns off, it implies shore power has been removed, which we want to know about. Then there's an audible alarm that is off, so we know if that's going off, it won't annoy anybody. And then we have a lot of information on speed over ground, heel, pitch, impact. And we also have temperature information for stateroom, salon, humidity as well. But then the coolest thing on this boat is controls. So this boat has CZone, so everything in CZone we could control remotely. So we've decided to have the modes. So we're in cruising mode right now. See, cruising is on the right-hand side. Let's go into entertaining mode. Actually turn that on and watch go into entertaining mode on this screen. Now let's go back into cruising on CZone, and you'll see that we've gone into cruising on BRNKL, and entertaining is off. You can see we can turn refrigeration on and off remotely, so if for some reason they turned off, the owner could turn those back on. And then the coolest thing on the planet is remote generator starting. So we're gonna actually make sure that the off button is off, and we're gonna start from right here. I'm gonna get ready to show you how cool this is. Generator start. You can see we're firing the gen on the analog screen. That light's gonna go green. It's got a prime and a startup. Boom, the gen is on. Confirmation, generator is running. All remotely, anywhere in the world through BRNKL. Really, really cool. And of course, we can turn it off as well. Give us a call if you want to talk about doing something like this on your boat. Thank you.